and it comes like this. And yeah, those filters are really bad. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the air filter on this Tesla 2021 Model 3, and the filter is pretty much located on the passenger side right down there. And the filter that I got is this one from Xtechnor. This is a pretty good deal air filter, so I'll leave the link in the description where I got this filter. It's actually two, and we have to remove that filter. So let's start doing this, and I'm gonna take the camera and go to the other side and start recording over there. All right, so I'm on the other side now, and the first thing, well, I have to remove this thing because the customer put mat for this. It's pretty nice, by the way. And what I'm going to do next is I'm gonna remove this plastic thing from here because the filter is located down here. And if you have the air conditioning, you can turn it off. So once we remove this side, we're gonna remove this top too, because if you don't remove this, the filter, it's not gonna go out, because you need to take out the cap for this. All right, so I'm gonna remove this and I'll show you the process too. All right, so here I was a little bit wrong. We have to remove first this cap cover, from over here. It's located right here, and you have 3 clips right here. It comes with the cabin air filter already included, so you just have to remove these 3 clips. They're gonna be like this, and you just pry the first one like this until it pops, and then you can remove the other piece. And then you have to remove these connectors, because we have to remove this, and then it's gonna give you access to remove this panel right here. And it's gonna be held by clips, so we're gonna pull really hard to remove it. And for this cover, the clip right here, it has a tiny clip right here, so you just gotta push it down and then pull it. And this one, you don't have to press nothing, you just pull it really hard and it's gonna come out. All right, so we have this part already done, and now I said we have to pull this right here. I have to pull it. It has clips all the way to the bottom, and it's gonna be a little bit hard with one hand and filming at the same time. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back when I remove this cover. So as you can see here, I removed this, and some of the clips are gonna be stuck in here, so you just gotta remove them with your hand and then put it back right here. Also, some of them might fall, but I don't think they're gonna fall like too far in there. So yep, this one I have like 3 stuck in there, and I'm gonna remove them. So the cap cover, it's right here. We need to remove a bolt right there. So on this, if some of the engineers from Tesla are watching this, that's not a good place to put the bolt. Next time, just put it right here, please. It will make things easier to remove, because right there is really hard to remove. We're gonna need something so short to remove that. I think it's a Torx or Allen, I'm not sure. I think it's a Torx socket, I believe probably 30. So yeah, if you're watching this, take this advice, Tesla engineers. Next time, put the bolt at the bottom. It will be much easier. Or maybe just do a clip instead of a bolt. Alright guys, so here I was way off. It's actually a Torx 20. You don't need a Torx 30. I was way off, so let me just check right there. Yeah, it's a Torx 20. So you're gonna need probably like a short extension, ratchet, or a long ratchet, either way you prefer it. So we're gonna remove this bolt right here. Let's see. You know what's really hard with one hand, so I'll pause the video and I'll be back once I remove that. You don't really have to remove this, but if you like, you can remove those because those clips are really attached to the plastic. So yeah, I'll just remove the bolt and pull this out. Alright, so as you can see right there, I already removed this little bolt. It's actually kind of difficult to remove, but here it is. It's already out. This is the cover, and I'm gonna remove the little, oh man, they're really dirty. Not a lot, but well, actually, yeah, they are dirty. Oh man, this is, yep, it's bad. So we actually have two of those. One is at the top and the other one is at the bottom. I would recommend just turn off the AC because you can, the fan is spinning and you don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna turn it off. It's already off. And the bottom one, you're just gonna lift it. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but you have this stop right here. You're just gonna lift and pull, and it comes like this. And yeah, those filters are really bad. So yep, bad. All right, and here are the new filters. They actually have something inside. I think it's carbon, the little balls of carbon activated, and it actually smells pretty good. I don't know if you can see right there, but those are the small carbon thingies. So the way this thing is gonna go, remember, the top right here goes upside, and I believe this one has one side. Yeah, this actually goes to the front. Let me just see if I can focus this. This goes to the front, and this one is actually for the back. So that's gonna face the outside, and this is gonna go for the inside. All right, so it's gonna go this way. Come on, let me just take this out of the way. And it's gonna go like this. Yep, like this. Just put it in all the way in, and then push at the bottom until it sits right there. Yep. And then we have the other one, and as you can see here, it says air inlet, and doesn't say anything on the other side, but this is facing outside because it comes from the outside, obviously. So the other one goes like this, and there you go. And just do the reverse. You gotta put the cap on again, like that, and we gotta put the bolt back, and that's pretty much it. Yep, just do the reverse and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. I hope you liked the information on how to replace the cabin air filter. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, like the video, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.